how much water is left. So for this, we can go ahead and just get out 3/4.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Hello, my name is Amanda Espinosa, and today I'm going to be doing a quick video on strip diagrams. So first I'm going to go ahead and read out my problem, then I'm going to go ahead and show it right here on my whiteboard. First you poured 3/4 of a cup into an empty bowl. Then you scooped out 1/2 of the water from that bowl. How much water is left? So with that, I would just go ahead and write out the problem. So I first cut the 3 out of the 4. So remember, this was what was poured into the bowl first. Then what was scooped out was the 1/2. So I'll write out my 1/2. What we want to do now, so that way we can find our total, would be multiplying this together. And that would give me 3 times 1 is 3. And 4 times 2 is 8. So now we can represent this fraction in eighths. And we also need to find our least common multiple. I'm going to find my least common multiple between these fractions, so that would actually give me 8. So 8 would be it. And so my new fraction over here would be represented as 3/4. So for the 8, it would be times 2 times 2. This would give me 6/8. So now we know exactly how to draw out the strip diagram. So I'm going to draw my strip diagram right over here. So 1, 2. They're a little crooked, but that's going to work. So 1. And so this is going to be, again, my 3/4, and this is going to be what I scoop out, which is the 1/2. So now we know that the 3/4 will now be represented as the 6/8. So we're going to go ahead and shade in 6 of these. Okay, and so half of 6 is going to be 3. So we're going to shade in now 3. And so this would be our answer, actually. It would be the 3/8. So we'll go ahead and write it here. 3/8, because this is how much we have left. And that's exactly what the problem is asking. And so it's that simple. Thank you guys, and I hope you enjoyed it.